Life begins the moment you are motivated. Innovate your business. 6 reasons why you should start your own business. As much as possible, you apply. Alright, magandang umaga sa lahat ng delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo panood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan doon, dito nga. And sa lahat na gusto mag-focus sa atin, online muna tayo and business consultation. And if you want to start, advertise, or improve your business, message ka lang 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi D. Sunga. And, ang tawag dito, sa lahat ng mga kailangan natin ng mga marketing tools, marketing strategies, if you want social media manager, if you want Facebook ads manager, so meron po tayo niyan under GDS Ecom Express, okay? And if you want to have your website or you want to have your company logo, message lang po kayo sa akin. Okay? Alright, life at its best. So, kailan nga ba natin masasabi na yung buhay ko ngayon, Doc, is at its best? Diba? So, minsan mahirap din, mahirap din siyang i-qualify na yung bang buhay na ibinubuhay mo ngayon, ayan na ba yung best mo? Yan na ba yun? Parang ganun, minsan gusto mo itanong yan na ba yung buhay na, yan na ba? Ang tawag dito, todo na ba yan, di ba? So, ang question ko sa iyo ngayon ay, yan na ba yung best ng buhay mo? Or when do you say na, Doc, ito na yung best ko? Okay? Alam mo, we're not talking about money here. We're not talking about kung nasan ka, ano ginagawa mo. Okay? So, meron tayong criteria na sasabihin ko sa inyo ngayon that life is at its best when you have or when you are doing these 3 things or when these 3 things are happening to you, okay? So, mag-coffee tayo ngayon. And by the way, sa mga gustong makipag-coffee sa atin, online coffee session, so, naka-promo pa rin tayo kasi meron tayong birth month natin ngayon So, message lang kayo sa aking page, okay? And birthday ngayon ng aking tatay. Happy birthday, tay. Wala nauna si tatay Di niya na ako nakita nag-rockstar sayang. Sana ikaw yung pinaka-proud. So, anyways, sige. Alright, so life at its best. Life at its best, okay? Number 1, okay? Life is at its best, okay? When you are motivated. I watched one of the vlogs of Ty Lopez. Sasabi niya ganito, life begins the moment you are motivated. Okay, so, pwede, di ba? Life begins or life can be at its best when you are motivated. Bakit? Ano meron sa motivation? Best yung buhay mo pagka hindi ka natatakot. Kasi motivated ka. Hindi ka natatakot sa mga challenges. Yung buhay mo nasa best pagka ready kang mag-take ng risk. Kasi motivated ka. Yung buhay mo nasa best siya when you are producing the best results in your life. Kung kahit anong ginagawa mo, kahit gaano kasimple ginagawa mo, you can be a choreographer, an MC, event manager, you're just doing t-shirt design or anything na ginagawa mo, pag ginawa mo yung best mo dyan, because you are motivated, then life is at its best. Alright? So, that's the first criteria. Yung sobrang motivated mo, alam mo yung pagising mo bangon ka na agad, then you start working, you start doing lahat ng mga tasks at hand, masaya kang gawin, and hindi ka natatakot. And that's the best thing of it. So, ang question ko sa'yo ngayon, first criteria natin, motivated ka ba? O takot ka pa rin? Takot ka pa rin mag-take ng risk, takot ka pa rin mag-desisyon, takot ka pa rin iwanan yung mga bagay na dapat mo nang iwanan. So, or challenge. Di ba? Hindi ka man lang na-challenge na gawin tong bagong bagay na to sa buhay ko. Okay? So, if you are not yet motivated, mag-pray ka, sabihin mo, Lord, bigyan mo ako motivation. Motivate me to do things. Okay? And ikaw din sa sarili mo, like yung sinasabi sa vlog ko in most of my videos na it's your responsibility to motivate yourself. Okay? So, your life is at its best when you are motivated. Alright? So, second, magkape po tayo para nakapagsulat kayo. So, second, when do you say that life is at its best? When you are doing your mission in life. Alright? So, dalawa po yan. You are doing your mission in life and at the same time, you are compensated. Then, para sa akin, ito yung life is at its best. When you are doing your passion, when you are doing what you love, okay, masaya ka, ginagawa mo yung gusto mo, and you are earning money, then life is at its best. It can be, yung mission mo pwedeng nangyayari sa workplace, yung mission mo pwedeng nangyayari sa yung business, yung mission mo pwedeng nangyayari in your newfound, kung ano man yung binubuo mong grupo, if you are happy doing that, that's your passion, that's your mission, na tingin mo yan yung pinapagawa sa'yo ni Lord, then life is at its best. Meron kasi ganito meron po kasing ginagawa naman nila yung mission nila. Kaya lang, meron kulang So, hindi nila masustain ang needs nila, hindi nila masustain ang needs ng family, hindi nila masustain ang needs ng church. Kasi you have to, combination po talaga siya So, para sa akin, congratulations, a big congratulations to you. Pag natagpuan mo yung mission mo sa buhay, and at the same time, you are being paid. Okay? Like, sinasabi ko yan sa mga estudyante ko. Before kasi, bago yung class ko, How to Become a Rockstar Coach, meron muna akong mga classes on how to become the next rockstar speaker. Yung pagiging speaker kasi, passion kasi yan yung gusto mo bang makapag-share sa tao, makapag-influence sa tao. Pag nagustuhan mo yan, then nangyayari siya ngayon, and you're being paid, well, that's it. Kaya nung naging speaker po ako and coach, sabi ko, doble-doble na yung pagiging best ng buhay ko. Okay, yung tingin ko ba na blessing na binigay sa akin ng Panginoon, sobra, yung naging speaker ako, okay na Nung naging coach pa ako, nung naging business consultant pa ako, yung I love what I'm doing, then they are paying me yung rate na gusto ko. Alright? So, it's life at its best. So, ang tanong ko sa yung ngayon, natagpuan mo na ba yung mission na yon? Pwedeng you are an ordinary employee, tingin mo, yan ang mission mo, ginagawa mo yan, you're happy, then you're getting paid. Pero kung tingin mo it's not your passion, you're getting bored, ayaw mo, you hate going to your job every day, then your life is not at its best. Or kung gusto mo na may ginagawa mo yan, kaya wala ka namang bayad, o kaya kulang ang bayad, then I'm telling you, life is not at its best. May conspiracy kasi yan ng mundo, nagko-conspire para mabuo yung gusto mo. I don't know if you believe that, pero sa akin, isa to sa mga share kong principles, sasabihin ko na sa inyo. Ang ano po kasi ang tawag dito, highlight ng aking birthday magaganap po siya sa last ng June. So, meron akong highlight na. Ang highlight po niyan is I'll be having one seminar on success tips. Okay? So, I'll be sharing 10 principles na nangyari sa buhay ko. One of the principles na isi-share ko po ay yung universe, hindi siya nagkakamali Umiikot siya ayon dun sa gusto nating mangyari sa buhay natin. Kaya minsan, di ba may mga changes sa buhay natin na nanahimik ka nagtatrabaho, biglang, ay may mababago, kailangan pupunta ka dito. Kasi yung mundo, nagko-conspire siya para mapunta ka dun sa lugar na dapat mong puntahan. Dun sa magagawa mo yung mission mo, and dun sa mababayaran ka ng tama para masuportahan mo ang family mo, your church, your mission, and your ministry. So, life is at its best, okay? When you are doing your mission in your career, in your business, and at the same time, you are well compensated. Alright? Third, okay? Na masasabi mong life is at its best if you have positive connections to different people. Positive connections sa family mo, positive, happy, positive connections to your social media friends, maayos, positive connections to your community, positive connections to your office mate, to your boss, to your clients, to your customer. If that's happening to you, na alam mong may positive thing na nailalabas ka, na na-absorb ka, okay, hindi ka nakipag-away, wala kang ginagawang masama sa kapwa mo, hindi ka nang scam, wala kang nilalamangan, then life is at its best. So, have a positive connection. So, these are the 3 criteria na dapat nating tanungin sarili natin. So, question ko sa iyo ngayon, yung buhay mo is at its best. Alright? Okay, so, please share this video sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin, kahit OFW, dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayo, mabago at umunlad ating buhay. Thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day, and let's go, let's go!